students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss NEET 2020 Physics Solutions. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియజేయండి. Let us go to the today's session NEET 2020 Physics Solutions. First, this is the G3 question paper, question number 91. In this question, fourth option is the correct option. This is the fourth option is correct. Theta is equals to pi radians. This is the answer. Theta is equals to pi radians. And next, go to the next question. Question number 92. Here L is equals to 50 centimeter. Now I am writing the solution directly. L is equals to 50 centimeter and N is equals to 100 and I is equals to 2.5 amperes and B is equals to mu naught Ni by L, that is equals to 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 10 square into 2.5 by L, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 1. After cancellation, we are getting 2 pi into 10 to the power of minus 4, that is equals to 6.28 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Tesla. This is final answer. So fourth option is the correct option. Go to the next one. Now question number 93. Two bodies of masses here we are calculating. Here I am writing the solution. A is equals to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 of g, that is equals to substituting value 6 minus 4 by 6 plus 4 of into g, that is equals to, see actually this option is, second option is correct answer. A is equals to 29, 6 minus 2 2g by 10. So 2 1s 2 5s, so the option is second option is correct answer. So A is equal to g by 5. Next go to the next question, question number 94. 1:1 is the answer, correct. So first one 94, option 1 is correct answer. Okay, next go to the question number 95. V is equals to, in this question they given V is equals to 0.2 meter cube and V is equal to 5 volts volume. Here this is the represents volume and this V represents electrical potential, and E is equals to minus dV by dr, that is equals to minus d by dr of constant, nothing but derivation of constant is equal to 0. So A is equal to, E is equals to 0. The magnitude of electric field in this region is equal to 0. Therefore E is equal to 0. The fourth option is correct. Next go to the 96th question. The average thermal energy for monatomic gas is, this is the correct answer. The first one is correct answer, 3 by 2 kBT. And let us go to the next question, question number 97. Tau is equals to, here I am writing the solution. Tau is equals to R bar cross F bar, that is equals to 2K bar cross 3J bar, that is equal to 6K bar cross J bar, that is equal to minus 6 I bar Newton meter. So second option is the correct option. Next go to the question number 98. Question number 98. This is direct question. Here this is the answer. Mean free path for a gas with molecular diameter d and number density n can be expressed as, the first option is correct. In this first option is right option. And go to the question number 99. Energy equivalent of 0.5 grams of substance is, now we are writing the solution. Here delta E is equals to delta E is equals to delta M into E square, that is equals to 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 9 into 10 to the power of 16, that is equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power of 13 joules. So first option is a correct option. Now we'll go to the question number 100. Question number 100. A screw gauge. Here we are in this question, the given least count is equals to 0. Least count is equal to 0.01 millimeters, and the number of divisions is equals to 50. Least count pitch of screw is equals to, direct I am writing answer, pitch of the screw is equals to 0.01 into 50, that is equal to 0.5. So second option is correct, 0.5 mm. Next go to the 101. This is direct question and it is a adiabatic process. So this is the first option is correct. So 101, option 1 is the correct option. Go to the 102. Here they given in the cylinder P is equals to, we are writing in this question, they given 249 kilopascals. P is equals to 249 kilopascals, and the temperature is equal to 300 Kelvin, and PV is equals to nRT, that is equal, substituting P into M by rho, that is equals to M by M of RT. M gets cancels, so rho is equals to Pm by R into T, substituting values here, that is equals to, we are getting rho is equals to 249 into 10 cube into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by 8.3 into 300. Finally we are getting rho is equal to 0.2 kilogram per meter cube. This is the final answer. So in this first option is correct option. Next go to the question number 103. 103, this is direct answer. So fourth option is correct. So 103, option 4 is the correct answer. And next go to the question number 104. Here in this question they given, here I am writing solution, and Vd is equals to 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter second inverse, and E they given 3 into 10 to the power of minus 10 volt per meter, and then mu is equals to Vd by E, substituting values 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 by 3 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So the answer is, which option is correct? First option is correct, 2.5 into 10 to the power of 6 inverse and second inverse meter square, mobility in meter square. And this next go to the question number 105, and this is direct question, approximately equal to, after doing subtraction, 9.98 meters. The first option is correct option. After subtracting this, here I am writing solution 9.9900, that is equal to 0.0099 by 9.9801, approximately equal to 9.98 meters. Next go to the question number 106, and in this they given susceptibility chi is equals to 599, and H is equals to, they given 1200, and next mu is equal to question mark, and mu is equal to question mark. Now we are writing the solution here, mu r is equals to 1 plus r, that is equals to 600, and we are calculating mu by mu naught is equals to 500, and this is 600. Here we are writing here, and then 600, so that is equals to mu is equals to 600 into 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. After cancellation, 2400 into pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So the final answer is 2.4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of minus 4. So which option is correct in this 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4? Fourth option is correct. Next go to the 107. Next we are going to the 107 question. In this question, a spherical conductor. Here we are writing the solution. Q is equals to 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 C. Here I am writing the solution of 107, and then R is equals to 115 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters, and R is equal to 10 centimeters. E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Substituting values, E is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 by 225 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So the final answer is we are getting 2880 by 225 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 to the power of 9. So at last you are getting answer 1.28 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per Coulomb. So the first option is correct option. Next we will go to the question number 1. In this question, 108 question, now we are writing the solution. Here 108 tan phi, here I am writing the solution. Tan phi is equals to 1 by omega CR, that is equal to XC by R. Tan phi 2 is equals to omega L by R, that is equal to XL by R. XC by R is equals to X, here L by R. So XL is equals to XC. So which option is correct? Second option is correct answer. So option 2 is the right answer. Now we will go to the question number 9. Now I am writing the question number 9 solution. Mg is equals to 2 pi RT. M is directly proportional to R. Here I am writing M1 by M2 is equals to R1 by R2, that is equal to 5 by M2 is equals to R by 2R. RR gets cancels. Taking cross multiplication, 5 2 is 5 into 2, that is equal to 10 grams. So M2 is equals to 10 grams is the correct answer. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. 110 direct option is 4 times is the 4 times the beat here. This is correct option. Now we'll write the solution for this. D dash is equal to D by 2. Capital D dash is equal to 2D, and then beta is equals to lambda D by D. Beta dash is equals to lambda 2 D by 2. So beta dash is equals to 4 lambda D by D, that is equals to 4 beta. So 4 times. So that's why second option is correct option. Option 2 is right answer. Next go to the 111, and in this option 4 is a correct answer. That is, here I am writing the solution. Here 1 is 0 0 0. Direct question is this 0 1 0 and 1 0 0 1 1 1. Here we are applying the logical circuits truth table. So fourth option is correct answer. So option 4 is, the answer is fourth option is correct. And go to the 112. In this yellow 4 violet 7, here I am writing here the solution. Yellow 4 violet 7 and yellow 4 violet 7 brown 1 gold plus or minus 5. So the option is R is equal to 47 into 10 to the power of 1 5 percentage The answer is 470 ohms, 5%. Option 3 is the correct answer. This option 3 is right answer. Next go to the 113. Question number 113. Here in this question I am writing solution. C naught is equals to 6 microfarads and C is equals to 30 microfarads and K is equals to C by C naught, that is equal to 30 by 6, that is equal to 5. And here we are writing this epsilon by epsilon naught is equal to 5. Epsilon is equals to 5 into epsilon naught, that is equal to 5 into 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 12, that is equal to 44.25 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So finally we are writing the answer epsilon is equal to 0.442 into 10 to the power of minus 10 coulombs square, Newton inverse and meter square. So which option is correct? The second option is correct. Option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is correct answer. Next we will go to the question number 114. 114 is the direct question. Here u is equals to, here I am writing the solution. U is equals to 20 meters per second and v is equal to 80 meters per second. H is equals to v square minus u square by 2z. Substituting values, 80 square minus 20 square by 2 into 10, that is equals to, final answer is 6000 by 210, 6000 by 20. So 2 into 10, 0 0 cancel. So h is equals to 300 meters. Option 3 is the correct answer. In this which option is correct? Option 3 is the correct. Next we will go to the question number 115. In this 115 the given force W is equals to, here I am writing the solution. W is equals to mg, that is equal to 72 newtons, and GH is equals to GR square by R plus H whole square, that is equal to G by 1 plus H by R whole square, that is equals to GH is equals to G by 1 plus R by 2R whole square. R gets cancels and that is equals to, finally we are writing G by, now substituting values, G by 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Final answer is G by 3 by 2 whole square, that is equal to 4G by 9. Substituting value, so GH is equals to 4G by 9. GH is equals to 4 by 9 into G value 72, that is equal to 9 1 9 8 32 here newtons. This is in which option is, this is the first option is correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next we will go to the question number 116. In 116 here we are calculating the, now I am writing the solution 5 kilogram and here another one 10 kilogram, that is equals to, here separated 1 meter, this is kilogram, and then center of mass is equals to m2 x2 by m1 plus m2, that is equal to 10 into 1 by 15, that is equal to 10 by 15, that is equal to 2 by 3, that is equal to 0.67 meters. So the answer is 0.67 centimeters. In terms of meters, this is in terms of centimeters, 67 centimeters. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. And let's go to the 117. This is direct one, reverse bias only. The first option is correct. And go to the question number 118. In this 118, here we are writing F is equals to 1.5118. Now I am writing the solution. F is equals to 1.5 F naught and F dash is equal to 0.75 F naught And next we are going to the question number. So here I is equal to 0. The answer is the third option is correct. Here third option is correct. I is equal to 0. No photo current. I is equals to 0. No photo current in this. Okay. Third option is correct. And next we will go to the question number 119. Here we have to calculate limit of resolution. Here I am writing the solution. LR is equals to 1.22 lambda by D, substituting values 1.22 into 600 into 10 to the power of minus 19 by 2, 2 ones, 2 300s, that is equals to 1.22 into 300 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So limit of resolution LR is equal to 3.66 into 10 to the power of minus 17 radians. Option 4, fourth option is correct. Yeah, this is the option, fourth option is correct. And next we will go to the question number 120. Here this is the weights bridge, meter bridge question. I am writing the solution here. V by Q is equals to 3 by 2 and S is equals to 10 ohms. P by Q is equals to R by S, that is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to R by 10, 2 ones, 2 fives. Here we are writing R is equals to 3 fives of 15 ohms and L is equals to 1.5 meters. So X is equals to 115, X is equals to 1.5, and finally we are writing answer X is equal to 1.5 by 15, that is equal to 15 by 150. 15 ones are 15 tens are, so X is equals to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 1 meters. The first option is correct option. We'll go to the question number 121. This 121 question, they given that here average flux 20. We are writing the solution now. This one, I is equals to 20. Same area value they given here 20 centimeter square, and T is equal to 60 seconds, and we are calculating the average energy received by the surface. I is equals to P by A, that is equal to E by A into T. So finally we are writing energy received by E is equals to IAT, that is equal to substituting values 20 into 20 into 60. After multiplication we are getting 24,000. This can be written as 24 into 10 cube joules. So the second option is correct answer. And next we will go to the question number 122. 122, here I am writing the solution for this question, and question number 122, here I am writing the solution for this question number. Here I is equals to I1 is equals to I, and I2 is equals to 0. Mu is equals to A plus D by 2 by A by 2. A plus D is equals to mu into A22 gets cancels, and I is equals to mu into A. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. Next let us go to the question number 123, and the question number 123, C is equals to, in this question they given 40 microfarads. C is equals to 40 into 10 to the power of minus 6 farads, and connected 200 volts and frequency 50 hertz they given, and IRMS is equals to ERMS by a current, that is equal to ERMS into omega into C. After substituting here I am writing the solution. IRMS is equals to 200 into 6.28 into 50 into 40 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So IRMS is equals to 2.51 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 6 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So after getting cancellation we are writing IRMS is equals to 2.5 amperes. So this is the second option is correct option, 2.5 amperes. Next we will go to the question number 123, dimensions of stress. This is a very easy. The third option is correct, ml to the power of minus 1 and t to the power of minus 2. And we'll go to the question number 25. The Brewster angle is option 2 is the correct answer. And next question number, going to the question number 26, 126 here we are calculating the Young's modulus. Y is equals to FL by AE, that is equals to mg L by A of L minus L1 minus L. This is which option is correct? Third option is correct. And we'll go to the question number 127. In this question number 127, they given here I am writing the solution for 127. P is equals to 16 into 10 to the power of minus 9 centimeters and R is equal to 0.6 meters and theta is equal to the given 60 degrees. So here we are writing the formula for electric potential 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P cos theta by R square. After substituting values, we are getting E is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 16 into 10 to the power of minus 9 by 36 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancels. After getting cancellation, we are getting 200 by 3 into 3. 3 gets cancels. So 200 volts. So E is equals to 200 volts. Which option is correct? First option is correct. Next we will go to the question number 128. In question number 128, in a guitar, 2 strings are given. So delta n is equals to, we are writing the solution, delta n is equals to 6 hertz and delta n dash is equal to 7 hertz and Na is equals to 530 hertz, and we are calculating frequency of the second body. So formula for this is N1 by N2 is equal to root of T1 by T2. After calculation, 6 plus NB by 7 plus NB is equals to root of T1 by T2. So Na minus NB is equal to 6. 530 minus NB is equals to 6. NB is equals to 536 or NB is equals to 524 hertz. So which option is correct? 524 hertz. Option 1, first option is correct. Next we will go to the question number 129. 129, I am writing the solution here. Lambda E is equals to 12.127 by root V. So substituting the values, 1.227 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9 is equals to 12.27 by root V Armstrong units, and root V is equals to square root V is equals to 10 by 10 to the power of minus 11 into 10 to the power of minus 10, that is equals to 10 to the power of 12 into 10 to the power of minus 10. At last we are getting answer 10 square. So this is, at last we are writing answer root V is equals to 10 square and V is equals to 10 to the power of 4 volts. So third option is correct. So which option is correct in this? Third option is correct. And next question number 130. Now we'll go to the question number 130. In this 130, the solids which have a negative temperature, coefficient of resistance are insulators and semiconductors. So which option is correct? Third option is correct. 31. This is, in this question they given energy required. So I am writing solution here. E is equals to 10 to the power of minus 20 joules and 1 electron volt is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 16 joules. Substituting 1 joule is equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So E, here I am writing the answer. E is equals to 10 to the power of minus 20 into 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So the final answer is 1 by 16. that is equal to 0.06. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. 131 option 2 is the correct answer. So in this option 2 is correct. And next go to the question number 132. Question number 132. This is the, now in this question they given heat required to rise the temperature. Here we are adding the heat capacity. So Tc is equals to ms, that is equals to rho V into S, that is equals to rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube into S, that is equals to 1 temperature Tc2, that is equals to R1 by R2 whole cube, that is equals to 1.5 whole cube, and next we are substituting 3 by 2 whole cube. This is the direct answer, 27 by 8. So fourth option is correct. Option 4 is the correct answer. So option 4 is correct. And then we'll go to the question number 133. This is a direct question. The fourth one is the correct answer. And question number 134. Question number 134, this is also correct. The base region must be very thin and lightly doped. So with the, which in this third option is correct answer. And last 135, in this 135 question, the option is singly ionized neon atom. So this is the third option is correct. So in this 135, option 3 is option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. Okay, thanks for watching this video.